Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are doing well. Today, I want to discuss with you something that's very well known to us. That's not something new. But the thing is, still I want to remind you of that thing because reminder actually works. It really refreshes your mind and it makes you to keep focus on the thing or to make your intentions clear. So today's topic is, why should we study? So that's the fundamental question I asked to myself 17 years ago when I was a kid. I went to school. So why should we study? Should we study just because our parents get ourselves admitted into school? So is this the reason why should we study? So that was my question. And now, as I have spent 17 or more years with my academic life and I'm yet to graduate within 2 or 3 months, so I think I have some views upon that question and I want to share my views about that thing, why should we study, to you guys. So let's see some factors or some points, why should we study. I have listed down some factors that are triggering factors for study. So we see number one is degree. So you may want to be a doctor, engineer, scientist, researcher, a tutor. So you should study to become those. You cannot just, you have a wish to become those noble things and you just become something. No, that's not going to happen. You have to work hard, you have to work smart, and then you get to have these degrees. To have degrees, you have to study. Second triggering factor that if you need social recognition, then you have to study. So when you study, you work hard, then you get some degrees. So the degrees, they basically come with some social recognition because it gives you respect. People know about you. You have done something very difficult, something very hard. You have attained some degrees that are well cherished and they're difficult to gain. So if you want social recognition, you have to study. Then status. So you have social recognition. You worked hard to have a degree. Then it really leverages you to a different level. It gives you a class. So if you want status, you should study and have a degree. Money, that's the most important thing, or the most triggering factor is money. So I can guarantee you study, or if you become educated, if you have degrees, that's the most guaranteed way to earn money. Because by education, you get yourself educated and skillful enough to earn money. That's the thing. So if you are educated, if you are having some degrees, if you are skilled enough, then money, no way stopping you gaining money. Then community contribution. So as you have earned degrees, you have some responsibilities to the society. You have money, you have social status, everything. So now the responsibility that is onto you is to educate the society, to spread a positive vibe into the society. You have to work as a positive factor to the society. So these are the things, or these are the triggering factors that should work into you to convince you to study more, right? Now I want to find yourself into these categories that should convince you to study, right? So number one category is need money. If you belong to a poor family, you need money, you need survival, you need provision, you need house, clothes, everything, the necessary things. So you should study, have a degree, get skillful, get a job, then earn money. Next thing, you have money, but you need status, right? So you come from a rich family or from a solvent family, but still you need status, you need a social impact, you need to have a social recognition. In that particular case, you should also study and have a degree. Educate the community. So if you want to educate the community, if you want to be a tutor, if you want to spread something positive into the society, then you should study, get yourself educated, get yourself skillful enough, and then spread your knowledge and share your skills into the community. Then vision to shape the society. You want to shape the society in a positive way. You want the society to be positive everywhere. So in that case, you need to get educated first. Then you get to change the society. You need to shape the society in a positive way. So the last thing, if you do not belong to any of these four categories, and if you are an Asian boy or Asian girl, then I ask you to study just to please your parents, Asian moms. So If you're lazy, if you do not need any money, status, anything, you're lazy, so at least study for your moms, at least pass the exams for your moms, okay? So that's it. I just want to make yourself clear. To excel in anything, you have to have a clear intention. Your intention is the first possible thing that you have to fix first. If you have a clear intention on something, I want to achieve this, I want to achieve that, then there is no way stopping you, and I am nobody to tell you what to do. You yourself figured out what to do for yourself to attain that goal, right? So that was it from me. Thank you so much. Please consider sharing this video with your friends. Assalamu alaikum.